hair did not look like this a few hours ago. Just know it was curly at one point. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making my super yummy, I call it an apple pie blueberry oatmeal. And it's so yummy. It's perfect for just like a cozy fall morning when you just want to have something like warm and hearty and nutritious. It's packed with a bunch of nutritious superfoods. Honestly, you can have it any time of the year. I've been having this since summer. I'm making it in my Instant Pot. It only takes 3 minutes to cook in the Instant Pot. That's the best way to make it. It just cooks really well. That's how it gets that like apple pie flavor. It's a vibe. Hey guys, I just wanted to say something really quick. So I filmed this video at like the end of summer, I believe. I noticed I started to feel really bloated after having this much. So now I make it a little bit different. I've cut down my portions a little and excluded the banana. I find a little less carbs and more fat and fiber works better for my body personally. But listen, boo, you do you, and you have it the way you want to have it. And of course, everything will be in the description box, so check there. There'll also be some pro tips on how to cook with the Instant Pot. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Smells so good. It smells like you're baking apple pie. Oh. All the like apple chunks are down there. When you cut them, it's okay if you chop them pretty big because it softens really well in the Instant Pot, and it's just so nice to eat like that. This is so yummy. You gotta try this. It screams yummy apple pie, cozy fall time, just, you know, like sit indoors and have your chai and just The fresh blueberries taste so much better than the frozen blueberries. Plus the frozen blueberries just make the whole oatmeal cold. So this is perfect. I'm so glad I started using fresh blueberries. That was my apple pie blueberry oatmeal recipe. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you make it because it is bomb. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.